Hello everyone, good evening. This is Cryptolo Luis here with some market updates. Today, January the 22nd, Monday, beginning of the week. We had a very interesting day over here in the stock markets. So, of course, my favorite subject that I'm always talking is the Bitcoin. Of course, right now we live YouTube and Instagram. We're gonna go live on Instagram right now. Okay, now I'm live on Instagram. Favor talk. It's BTC, Bitcoin futures, European options, January 24th, Friday. The final. This should update anytime soon, but anyway, right now we guys looking at the CME Group app, options futures, and you see like the contracts that it's gonna expire this week on Friday, the last Friday of the month. So been talking about this from the time being since that I spoke with the situation with the Bitcoin ETF. You know, I think it was like more buy the rumor, sell the news, and apparently like that's what happened. You know, the ETF come up and the price of Bitcoin actually went from 40 up to 48,000 down to a now 39,000. But what is the reason? If you don't understand, if you're new to Bitcoin, if you're new to this cryptocurrency situation, if you're new to the market, the price, the volatility in the price is because they have options future contracts and people placing bets on the price. They try to predict the price based on a various situation, and not different. Any commodity, any stock, anything work the same way for everything else. Stock markets being like 200 years of plus, and that scenario, and that's the way it goes. So situation here is this: you guys watching right now the Bitcoin futures CME Group in Chicago. That's what all the major finance institution placing bets, the hedge funds, everything placing bets over there for anything. So I'll show you guys later, but specifically right now I'm showing the Bitcoin situation that we have the January contract futures, European style, which is a monthly or 3 month. It's about 3 months, something like that. I don't know, but anyway. Every end of the month, that's when it expired. It's kind of hard to explain the whole thing, but so as I told you guys, we got call the bets on call. It's the bets for the price go up. The bets on puts is the price go down. So as you can see right now at $35,000. It shows like 3,500. It shows 100, and so the open interest change in the volume. It's 1 on the 35,000 with 112 open interest. 3 at 37,000. And 4 at 39, 3 at 440, actually 3 at 40,000. So saying that now we're gonna take a look on two graphics that have been watched this since the beginning. And I mentioned a couple things over there that I really didn't like it, and I have my two indicators that you guys gonna see. So right now we're looking at two Bitcoin. One, the top one is the Binance. The bottom one is the CME future group, both in the weekly chart. And so the top one from the Binance, what you guys see it is the indicator that the red bar means sell positions, and the green bar it shows buy position. So we look at the buy position at $25,000, but we are trading for the last being the weekly. Each candle represents a week. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 weeks that we trade in a sell bar from the top. You know, that technical analysis for the candles, it's very bearish if you read it. I actually also draw two green lines. That the green lines that I draw, it was represent what I call the side trade, which I hate it in Bitcoin. Anything that every time it happens in the past, I've been doing with Bitcoin since 2017. I went through the bear market in 2018, 19, 20. I missed, I got the bull from 17, but I missed the bull in the 2021, 22. Actually, 2021, I missed 22. Actually, we tried pretty much almost get into a bear market. So the bottom one, it's the CME, and also both, as you can see it, the indicator for the channel break short seller, it's on. Printing both on the candle last week. It show up my indicator. So this week it's just confirmation. The price went down to a $39,000, and we're probably gonna see it further down to 35,000 if if it kind of shows. See, now I click it. The bottom one, it showed the expiration Monday 29. So actually the last Friday of the month. And then Monday is the payoff, something like that. Or that's what it got the contract pays off. So that's what the situation for the CME group. All right. So saying that, let's go back and let's show you guys. Like I told you guys, let me show the app itself on the CME group. So as you can see here, if you go agriculture, we have corn, soybeans, like cattle futures, lean, everything. So we have the energy, we have crude oil, natural gas, micro for the natural oil, mini crude oil, natural gas, and so on. So then you have the cryptocurrency situation that you have Ethereum, micro Ethereum futures, micro Bitcoin futures, and you have Ethereum futures and Bitcoin futures, and you have equities, which is the SP 500, the Nasdaq, the Dow Jones, everything here. So then you have a forex also. So they have the Japanese, Australian dollars. So this market actually, and move also the interest rates. The 10-year, the 2-year, the 5 years, metals also, gold, copper, silver, platinum, everything. So this CME group for me is very important, and then that's what they kind of show the situation through the market. Let's go. Let me show you guys, and let's talk more. What happened today in the market, the stock market itself. Let's go here. This app called Stock App. and it kind of like interest because this one show me sector by sector. It's always got a little ad, so I have to wait for the ad comes up, and I'm gonna show you guys momentarily. Okay, once the ad is gone, it's gone. So as you can see it, today the up and down. We have information technology 80%, industrials 80%, green, real estates. But majority of the sectors other than utilities, and it was pretty good, you know. So now let's take a look at the market map. And the map, sorry. Okay, SP 500. Gonna show you Nvidia, everything else. Apple 1%. Microsoft and everything else is pretty good. The overview. So AMD took a hit today, down 3.47%. It's going down still over off the market. See the sector here was 67 buy and 67% buy, and the 32% sold on that situation. Okay, Tesla. We're gonna have two majors earnings this week. One is a Tesla. It's gonna be I believe Wednesday. As you can see it, I don't know if you can see it. You probably see it. Yeah, 208 right now on Tesla. And let's take a look which the other one. It's gonna be Netflix tomorrow afternoon. 485 didn't move much today, only 0.5% on Netflix. Tomorrow afternoon. Today, after market, if I'm not mistaken, we have the United Airlines hit it pretty good. You got 6%. They traded like side traded in a day at 0.95% negative, but they went up after market 6%, probably like because the earnings they hit it pretty good, I believe. So yeah. Coinbase, am I gonna take a hit? Because actually they kind of hold and went up today 2%. Even in Bitcoin deep at 39,000, below 40, which is kind of weird because all this stock, Bitcoin related stock, normally kind of like has a tendency to, take a hit. I mean, Coinbase took a hit big time because they went from year to day, they are down 25% because they went from $170 to $128 right now. So pretty much now let's take a look at the graphics and see how we interpret it for the earnings tomorrow on the let's take a look one thing over here with some music. Okay, the earnings tomorrow, it's Netflix. Look at the weekly chart. It trades on the red. Show you guys just now. See, it trade in the weekly chart. It trade on the red bar here on the top. Just wait for this to come out. All right. So doesn't look good for Netflix. because it hit it like a resistance pretty much. Another chart normally it's good to take a look is the 4 hours chart. As you can see, we have this big column that I draw. It was old one, but it's still trading inside, and also it looks like it might be some type of head and shoulder formation. I don't know if this is gonna happen. Candle wise, not sure if we have any candle that probably like give you some information. So look at, let's take a look some things in here. Netflix first, because Netflix is tomorrow afternoon after the bell. Okay, the technicals on the day chart, it's a strong buy. The weekly, just a buy, which I like is two technicals that I've been looking lately and see how it go. 1 hour is still a buy and 5 minutes is a neutral. So let's see how it goes. So the forecast on Netflix, it's $600 for the year. It traded for price target $494. It current traded $485. The negative side is 31% down at $335, which probably like the bears are gonna take advantage of any bad news on that scenario that we have right now going on. Let's see if this go up. Yep. So this is the Netflix earnings. The projection for the analyst rating, it's based on 50 analysis for the last 3 months. They have 24 buys, 24 strong buy, 6 buy, 17 hold, and 1 sell, 2 strong sell. So look very bullish on the analyst ratings. However, candle wise and the weekly chart, we're in a scenario from Bitcoin. Same thing. It traded right inside. I think this one I paint, so let's delete. And it go extend all the way up to March 11. So let's see if this is gonna hit it. And price gonna drop or go up to $600 for the year with the 494 target. Let's see how it goes. 494 from here is 9 points at 485. So that's what we have. The next one is Tesla. Tesla is set to report this week. It's gonna be on Wednesday, and even show a short on the weekly channel break sell. This is a big support on the weekly chart, the buy position over here. Let's take a look on the day. So let's delete these that I paint over here. Take a look on the day. Day doesn't look good. Let's make it bigger for you guys. We are oversold, 64% oversold right now. Jim Cramer for CNBC mentioned about a capitulation of Tesla, just like people taking profits. We have a gap down here from 244 to 226 about October. Hit a bottom here at 193, went up to 264, channel break, and the day chart showed me sell position at 255, and the confirmation of my other indicator showing this little red B. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's kind of small and Instagram, I don't know, but it shows here a B with the sell position, and so either this is gonna go in the weekly chart, hit kind of support, go probably like bottom 188. The next support is 170. Of course, the price hit it like around last year at the beginning of the year, all the way down to $100. So it was a big increasement from the 100 to all the way here to 290. It's 190%. So let's see how it goes. There's the two major stocks that we talk, but also I cannot pass by the stock of the day for me. Actually got plenty, but this one actually makes me some profit. The call I'm gonna show you guys. DWAC, Digital World Acquisition. This is related with Donald Trump, of course, as you can see it, with DeSantis dropping, not to politics, but that's what happened. That's what they say will happen. With DeSantis dropping out of the race, Donald Trump, and this has relation with the Donald Trump. I don't know, but that's the situation. So as you can see, we look at the weekly. I don't see no indication for short. The two indicators show me buy position with long. Let's take a look on the day chart. Day chart also looks pretty good. Big column here on the bottom at $16. A lot of buy positions breaking out. Today the stock went up 88% from 20, gap up a little bit here, but from 20 some dollars. Actually opened at 39 in the morning. One I saw was 39, and I still hold one stock for 39 in try, so I got 49 here, so I got $10. But I got a contract of $55. I purchased like for $50, and I sold for $160, something like that, 300%. But it pays up to $500 right now, so it's pretty big. Tomorrow, I don't know how it's gonna be. I got to put too, just in case this like tomorrow got a big sell out, because right now it's overbought 100%. So maybe it hit something in the way down from here. You never know. This stocks with this kind of high volatility, that's what happened. If we look all stock open, I believe it opened at $16. And the very next day, on the September 1st, 2021, $16 open. And then it went up to Friday, 1st October, because the weekly chart or monthly chart, this month they hit a high at what's the high? $175 with 580%. So then they traded a couple months with a resistance at 92, then the way down, all the way down to somewhere around $12.66, and then they have this break. And today, with the buy position here, and July the 3rd of July on 2023, they have this big candle. This was 34%, and the high was $25. And not too long ago, November 1st, also they have another candle that breaks 16%. It's a high $19. And now the election year, it might go up to $170. Who knows? That could be the new GME meme stock for this year. DWAC, DUAC. So of course, if you look, we have an app here called StockWits, and see how they talking. Okay, let's see the comments. Let's show you guys. This is StockWits. This is the stock we're looking at it before. See, Trump stocks are putting in another rally this morning after Ron DeSantis officially drops out of the race 2024. Here we go again. And as you can see, they have like a lot of everything related to Donald Trump. Somebody said we eclipse at 500. Remember, you already hit it 180. So all the comments that we see it. The other one actually kind of, it's hitting high off the markets. This VTVT. Let's take a look on that one. See it, how this stock behavior. I believe they could be a potential right here. Let's take a look. VTVT to the Pedicle Inc. So on the weekly chart, why is not showing? Okay, I don't know. The 4 hours, show you guys. 4 hours, we have something. Something good, I think. So yeah, that's the one that we seeing right now, and I believe this one, it might hit something good for tomorrow. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching this. Thank you for watching this video, and tomorrow probably come up and at this same time around 8:30. It's a live video. We go over tomorrow. We're gonna be talking the Netflix earnings, see how it goes, and as you can see, I show you guys, we might gonna hit a downside on Netflix. Even they bullish big time from losing money every quarter. But then afterwards, Tesla, with the capitulation, they lower the price of the cars and everything. They drop in the margin big time. I think at one point it was over 30%. Now it's only about 10%. So I don't know how it's gonna be, how they're gonna be profitable from the time going so far. Anyway, thanks for watching this channel, and see